do a quick how-to on how to make a mate. So if you're a beginner, if it's your first time, my family is going to shoot me for this, but you want to start kind of slow with like 1 or 2 tablespoons, right? The water is already sweetened, and then you're just going to pour it in and then put the bombilla. If you've already drank it a few times, then the real way to do it, well, there's a million different opinions on this, but the idea basically is to fill it to the top of the bowl. So most of the mates you'll see are rounded at the bottom and then come up. And what that does is once the water comes in, the yerba expands and this will compact it in. So you kind of want to fill it to the top of that rim, okay? And then you want to put